This is Dr. Jeffrey Whitman demonstrating the VICTUS Femtosecond laser capsulotomy. And at first we will put a vacuum ring on the eye. I'm using a lid speculum here, but you do not need to. The suction is very mild. The patient feels very little. There's no subconjunctival hemorrhage. We fill the center of the suction cone with about 3 to 4 drops of VSS so we could get good applanation. The patient does not completely lose their vision during the procedure, which is very comfortable for the patient. And then we'll bring the cone of the laser down into the center of the vacuum ring, and we can see this secondary circle of light within the dotted ring. And we want to center that with the bed controls as we bring the bed up, bringing the patient's cornea or vacuum ring up into the cone of the laser. We get good applanation. We're looking for no folds in either the OCT image or the central image of the cornea. And once we have a green light, as you can see flashing on the very right side of the screen, we have yellow and green. We try to keep it in the green, showing adequate vacuum. We lock the ring in place by giving a little squeeze. The pupil centration comes up and we can center the pupil. We can change diameter if we wish to. This is a 5.5 millimeter capsulotomy. And then in 2 areas we'll mark just inside the pupil, just inside the iris, at 90 degrees and 180 degrees. And then once we do this, we'll mark the center of the cornea on the OCT image. Remember, the OCT image here is continually refreshing itself. It's a real-time OCT image. Once we do that, then we can look at the capsule itself, and we have a green band that we're going to make sure is just anterior to and just posterior to the capsule during through its whole diameter capsulotomy. Once that's set, we'll go ahead and store the information in the computer. Once that is done, the computer will tell us to start, and it will actually have a little bar that says executing, and that's when I hit the foot pedal, and you'll hear some sharp beeping from the computer as the capsulotomy is actually made. And you may hear that in the background right now. And we look for the execution bar to fully complete. Once that's done, the vacuum comes off automatically, so you don't need to unhook anything. You just simply bring the table of the bed down, take the patient out, and the capsulotomy is